Hello guys and girls, today we are going to talk about acidity problem and its remedies. Home remedies for acidity. We all can recall having fallen a victim to heartburn after the festival season or after attending a wedding. Having gorged on our choicest delicacies, now we face the after effects. It is a common practice to eat light food for a day or two when we suffer from heaviness and acidity to get the system back to normal. But what about those who suffer from acidity day in and day out? Is there a ray of hope for them? Yes. If they follow this video and stick to whatever suits them out of the options given in a disciplined way, there sure is a way out. But why allow the malady go that far? It is best to control in its initial stages. Causes. Our stomach produces gastric acids to aid digestion. But, their corrosive effects are neutralized by the production of natural bicarbonate and prostaglandins secreted in the mucus lining. When the production of these chemicals is interrupted, then it leads to damaged stomach lining which causes acidity. 1. Stress. 2. Consumption of spicy and non-vegetarian foods. 3. Smoking and alcohol. 4. Stomach ailments like peptic ulcers, Gastro-Esophageal reflux disease, stomach tumors, etc. 5. Medications like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Read more about why acidity is rising among youngsters. Home remedies for acidity. Clove. This condiment helps the digestive system. Suck a piece of clove after every meal, it will give relief from acidity. Milk and dairy products. Milk is one of the best remedies for acidity. It is the easiest to source because we all keep milk handy at home. Milk negates the acidic effect in the stomach. With reduced buildup of acids in the stomach, the heartburn does not trouble. You can drink a cup of cold milk. If you don't want to drink that much milk in one go, or you feel that you will not be able to digest cold milk, add 2 tablespoons of milk in a glass of water and drink. It will give an instant relief. It is a sure-shot remedy. Another fantastic and delicious way to reduce acidity is to take a cup of milk with a dollop of vanilla ice cream floating on top. Fresh mint. Fresh mint juice is helpful in getting rid from acidity, but make a point to take it in limited quantity. It is a strong herb, hence use only 2 or 3 twigs at a time. Another way to use mint for acidity is to boil 2 glasses of water with 5 to 10 twigs of mint. Remove from heat and keep the lid on till the minty water cools. Add a tsp of honey to it and drink it through the day. Cumin seeds drink. Take a tsp of cumin seeds, put them in 4 glasses of water, put the pan on heat, bring it to a boil, remove from heat and your anti-acidity drink is ready. You can use another relatively easier method of making this drink. You may not boil it but have the seeds steeped in water for 15-20 minutes. Strain and drink this cumin water. Cucumber. The alkaline nature of cucumber nullifies the acidity. You can sprinkle some pink/black salt, colonomic, to make cucumber digest quickly. Watermelon. Buy a ripe watermelon, cut it and eat it frequently to alleviate the symptoms of acidity. An unripe watermelon will not be of any help. You can store a cut watermelon in the fridge for 3 days covered with a cling film. Instead of pills for acidity, go for a beautiful and tasty delight. Coconut water. Every time you feel thirsty, drink coconut water. Try it for a few days. It sure will give you relief from heartburn. Coconut water soothes the inflamed stomach and cools it down. Jaggery. 10 grams of jaggery eaten after every meal can reduce the acidity considerably. Baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda in water works well to reduce acidity. Soda is alkaline, thus it neutralizes acid. Water. A glass of warm water as the first drink of the morning is good for acidity. Fennel. You can also chew salt after meals, to prevent acidity, advises nutritionist Anshul Bharat. For its multitude of gastrointestinal benefits, fennel tea is sure to help the digestive tract be healthy and happy. The tea is considered very useful to help in digestion and bloating because of the oils found in these seeds, according to Shilpa Arora ND, a renowned health practitioner, nutritionist and certified macrobiotic health coach. Cinnamon. This humble spice works as a natural antacid and can settle your stomach, by improving digestion and absorption. For relief, drink cinnamon tea to heal infections in the gastrointestinal tract. Buttermilk. Did you know that buttermilk is categorized as a sattvic food in Ayurveda? So, the next time you get acidity after eating a heavy or spicy meal, skip the antacid and drink a glass of ches instead. Buttermilk contains lactic acid that normalizes acidity in the stomach. Sprinkle a dash of black pepper or 1 teaspoon of ground coriander leaves for best results. When to see a doctor. Untreated acid reflux or GERD can lead to complications over time. Call your doctor right away if you or your child experiences any of the following symptoms. Persistent difficulty swallowing or choking, which can indicate severe damage to the esophagus. Trouble breathing, which can indicate a serious heart or lung problem. Bloody or black, tarry stools, which can indicate bleeding in the esophagus or stomach. Persistent abdominal pain, which can indicate bleeding or an ulcer in the stomach or intestines. Sudden and uncontrollable weight loss, which can indicate a nutritional deficiency. Weakness, dizziness, and confusion, which can indicate shock. Chest pain is a common symptom of GERD, but it may require medical attention as it can indicate the onset of a heart attack. People sometimes confuse the sensation of heartburn with a heart attack. Symptoms more suggestive of heartburn may include burning that starts in the upper abdomen and moves into the upper chest. Burning that occurs after eating and that gets worse when lying down or bending over. Burning that can be relieved by antacids. A sour taste in the mouth, especially when lying down. Slight regurgitation that backs up into the throat. People over age 50 are at an increased risk for heart attacks and other heart problems. The risk is also higher among those with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Obesity and smoking are additional risk factors. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, share, and comment.